Hello and welcome to MetaTrade. It's 5 on September. Don't forget subscribing, liking and tapping on bell to get notification for every new video on this channel. According to the news we got on Friday in United States, we have increase in unemployment rate that can give us more inflation that impact on companies. When we have less efficiency in companies, it's obvious that we would have more red candles in charts like NASDAQ and SPXUSD. As you see here in NASDAQ chart, we have red candles after the news we got on Friday, and we have red candles on SPXUSD too. Okay, in other hand, when we have more inflation, Fed has to increase interest rates and this can impact on BTC too, because when they increase interest rate, we have a stronger USD. So in BTC USD pair, we can have weaker BTC. So we should be waiting for crash in BTC. Now we are in this channel in BTC chart. So we should be waiting for leaving this channel downside. Okay, this was fundamental. Now it's time to technical. If I zoom out, you can see that we had two important and strong points, strong regions. First one in December 2017, that is on 18,000. Yes, 18,000 almost. And next one is on 14,000. Yes. Now we are close to first one, I mean 18,000. We can react to this region, and if in the worst scenario, if we lose this region, we can react to important region that we have between 14,000 and 16,000. But I don't think we can touch targets like 10,000 or 11,000 because if we look at NASDAQ and SPXUSD charts that have strong attachment with Bitcoin, we see that we don't have a big space to come down. As you see here on SPXUSD chart, we are out of this channel that we are coming down to touch this channel again, so we can react here on 3,700. And on NASDAQ we are in this channel. We can react to bottom of this channel here on 10 or 11,000. So I think the last station for BTC is 18,000, or in the worst scenario 14,000 to 16,000. After that we can react and have bull market. And if we look at another factor, which is options market, we can see puts that dominate calls, but don't worry, and at end of the September calls dominate puts, so we can have bull market.